So in today's video we discuss how to create exponents in your Windows computer using keyboard shortcut. So remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 8310. So you must open the Microsoft Word, and after that you can try this. So for creating this exponent 6, okay, for doing this you can go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see that this is the number lock. Suppose your number lock is off, you can turn on the number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8310. After typing 8310, you can simply release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that the exponent 6 have been arrived here. For example, if I am going to type simply 10, then you can see that it arrived like this. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.